Today is our Kiwi Co Box Day, and everyone gets a crate. You guys excited?
Yeah!
All right, they haven't seen what is inside for this month, so go ahead, open it. And each of the kids gets a different color. He gets Koala Crate. We'll go through and we'll just see what is inside of each one. All right, Lawrence, let's see. It tells you on the outside, baking. Whoa. Okay, open it up, Lawrence. And the nice things about these is that they have a magazine for each of them.
Boxes.
And a book that also goes a little bit into more detail for them. But this will be the instruction book telling you exactly what to do. Ooh, and what's in there? Measuring cups. Is that frosting?
Is it real?
I think it might be. I'm not sure. And everything comes in little bags all ready
real!
for you to go. It is?
Yeah! When I scratched it, it's real.
Which is really nice for me as the parent to have everything in there. And it's all based on their age level. I think this one is 2 to 4 for the Koala Crate. And I really like the Koala Crate. I think the projects are so cute. You won't open it just yet, okay? In case you need help you.
I'm going to take it out.
And the little magazine has extra activities. Sometimes it has book suggestions. And a story to read with the kids. Extra science experiment. And the thing I love is it's all on their level. So we use this as kind of a extra science for us. So there's some of the book suggestions, which I always love to add in if we can. All right. So now we're going to move over to my 6-year-old.
Treasure hunting.
Treasure hunt. Let's see here. So right on the end of the box, the Kiwi box. She's got the original Kiwi box. And it's treasure hunt. Oh my, does that look fun. So what do you have here?
You can draw anything on here. You can also choose a color. But this is like the map.
It's a map, okay.
But you can choose what color you want. If you want this spot or the other set inside.
Yeah, already you know how to do this? Okay. For the Kiwi box, maybe her instructions. Oh, that is neat. Is that a little lock on there?
Yeah.
Cool. Now it gets a little harder for her. I usually help my 2 young ones do their boxes. Oh, coins that you'll work on. That's neat. I'm just going through this quick just so you can get a visual of what the books look like. And now these have a lot of little details. That's why I usually help her. She's not quite going to be a strong enough reader to be able to do this on her own yet. So there we go, that's neat. And let's see what's at the end of yours. The blueprints here and the making the maps. A little math connection.
Happy.
And again, everything is right in there, all boxed up, ready for you to put it together. Now the treasure hunt here. And this one comes with a story. You like the stories that we read? Just to bring it home a little bit more. Extra activity. Ooh, compass skills.
How do I open this? You
Pizza
can make
activity.
a pizza, a treasure.
Wow, a treasure hunt pizza. Great idea. So just a little extra book to bring that science
I'm a
and
pirate.
activity all together. Yep, you'll be a pirate. All right. And this is for my 10-year-old daughter. She does, what crate do you do?
Doodle Crate.
The Doodle Crate. What are you doing this time?
Pencil holders.
Pencil holders. Oh, little animal pencil holders. Very neat. Now the Doodle Crates, I find these to be a little harder. They're just a little bit more time consuming, I think. So, and I usually end up helping her a little bit with her crates. All right, neat. Sculpting, but she loves art projects. And again, this does go into following instructions and doing extra activities, and everything is right in there. That sounds like fun. No little book comes with this one, right? Just the instructions?
No. Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, and now here, oh, how cute is that? And then my 11-year-old son here, he's been doing these for 2 years now, right, Ethan?
Yes.
Do you like them?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you like about them?
I like how every time I get one, it's always something new that you can, and something that will allow you to get more closer to electricity. Such as
Electricity.
this
Okay.
one, a coin-eating robot.
Oh, a coin-eating robot. And this is the Tinker Crate. Now he's pretty good at these. He can really do these on his own just by reading the instructions.
And
it
I
comes
also
with let's show the blueprint first. So it comes with a blueprint which gives instructions on how he can put this together. Oh, would you be able to open that up, are you?
A big box.
Look at that. So his blueprint gives him all the instructions. And then there's an extra magazine, thank you.
But and what I like
Tinkerzine.
most about
Okay, let's just see. Let's show that here. Okay, what do you like about it?
what I like most about it is every time at the back they give you some books to read that will show you other tinkering and
Some videos.
yes.
Okay, let's go back here. I always think these are kind of neat, where it gives you some real life stories of how it was used and applications of it. So here's just a quick glimpse at what each of our 4 crates are. Now we're gonna get to them, right?